There's the bell, and we're looking at a superstar who many have considered to be a natural to the sport.
It doesn't take long to see why she's garnered such praise. She has the instincts that not even the most seasoned veterans possess.
It is hard to disagree with that assessment.
But she'll be contending with a woman who's had a groundswell of support as of late. A competitor who's going to use that outpouring to fuel her in this fight. Slam!
She was clearly waiting for that.
Series of reversals. To the face. Nothing fancy about that.
Got it scouted.
Watch the elbow.
Knee drop. Jeez. She flips it back on her. Foot to the midsection. Roundhouse kick.
Uh-oh, she had trouble coming. Not going to be easy. She's still got plenty fight left in her. Trying to counter, dropping shots.
Impressive counter.
To the face. Nothing fancy about that.
Shot to the back.
Stomping away. Driven down with it.
She could pin her opponent right here. Getting the shoulder up before two.
Impressive to not even allow a 2 count at this juncture. Snapmare takeover. Oh, out of steam.
She had it scouted.
That could be the spark she was looking for. Oh, man, into the neck breaker.
Dangerous position here, guys.
Oh, no. Suplex. Supernatural power.
Big body slam. 2, 3, 4. Good defense. 6. Looking for more damage here. Release back suplex. Ouch.
Gotta find a way back into the ring now.
Before the count runs out.
She's taking things to ringside. Across the back of the neck. Sliding back into the action.
Looking for the Irish whip reversed.
This balance hands break.
Picture perfect execution.
No, she kicks out. She kicks out.
It was almost all over for her.
It does not get much closer to 3 than that.
Sometimes when you unleash your best offense and it doesn't get the job done, you're taken out of your game. That's a real possibility now in this match.
She certainly took a chance there.
High risk with no reward.
Back.
Pretty sure I invented that move.
She's going for it. 1, 2. She kicks out with force.
She just dug down deep there, but I don't know if she'll be able to do it again.
Had that one scouted. Oh, right to the kidneys.
Snapmare takeover. Full out of steam.
Here's a cover.
Could be it.
1, 2. And a kick out at 2.
Getting dangerously close to ending it all there.
It's been an hellacious encounter thus far.
The tides have swung in multiple directions. It's anyone's guess how this one's going to end. Crashing down with a vertical suplex.
Ooh, she responds with a counter.
How in the world do these superstars have anything left at this point?
The arena's thinking the same thing. All eyes are focused on this moment.
You can see her struggling to find her bearings. She just created a prime opportunity.
2, 3. And victory! What a win she picks up here tonight.
Here is your winner, Amanda Lawrence.
And And that's a textbook win. A lot to be proud of there.
The action we just witnessed was really something else.
This is one I won't forget for a long time.